Hello everyone, in this occasion I would like to present our research on ICAST 2022 titled Ideas and Concepts in Developing Financial and Tax Administration System at the Ankal Festival and Resort Nusa Penida. So here are the members, myself, Made Eugenti Prototami, and then Nina Ngalasmini, Iputu Oktapriana, Gede Iwan Suryadi, Niketut Vini Alvarosa, and then the last is Gede Pradiva Adiningrat. So here we have several points to be discussed. The first is research background. The second is research problem. The third is the research method. And then the last is results and discussion. So let's start from the research background. The use of digital technology to streamline a company's business operations, boost productivity, and enhance the customer experience is known as digitalization, which is a profound business transformation. Digitalization is an international phenomenon, especially in these days of global pandemics. As we know, micro, small, medium enterprises or MSMEs play a significant part in the Indonesian economy. MSMEs are currently one of the new job alternatives being used to lessen the effects of unemployment in Indonesia. Additionally, MSMEs are crucial in promoting Indonesia's economic growth. This is based on the significant contribution MSMEs have made to regional income and state revenue in Indonesia. The Ankal is one of the MSMEs involved in the tourist industry and operates in a number of different business sectors, including the rapid boat service between Bali and Nusa Penida, resort on the island, water sport, and other enterprises. A technology-based financial system, sufficient tax administration, and the existence of consolidated financial report that displays the overall performance and financial situation of the firms do not match the complexity of this business. So the research problem is the Ankal is one of MSMEs involved in the tourist industry and operates in a number of different business sectors, including the rapid food service between Bali and Nusa Penida, resorts on the island, water sport, and other enterprises. A technology-based financial system, sufficient tax administration, and the existence of a consolidated financial report that displays the overall performance and financial situation of the firm do not match the complexity of this business. This makes it challenging for the firm to make both short-term and long-term choices, which lead to operational issues that may have an effect on business continuity and growth. Additionally, daily reports that are prepared as notes are done manually, and occasionally the layout is still disorganized. The third is about research methodology. In our research, we are using descriptive qualitative approach. The first, we have MSME's requirement analysis, and the second, we have financial system design, and the third, we have financial system development, and then the last, we have system training support. So here we are on the results and discussion. The first is MSME's requirement analysis. The first step is establishing a digital-based financial and tax administration system is to undertake a needs assessment and survey. The Ankal must undertake field surveys and interviews with all finance department staff to determine this requirement in the process of digitizing administration and finance. This procedure is critical given the urgency of the demands and the examination of human resources that will support the system change that will be implemented. In principle, it is critical to carry out this needs analysis in order to identify the fundamental requirement for the development of a solution that may help enhance the performance of a unit or group and solve a problem that emerges. The second, we have financial system design. The Ankal and system designer can create a concept map of the financial system design that they intend to construct after identifying the system planning utilizing the 5W and first H technique. Following the planning step, the following level is system analysis. Based on the diagnosis result from the previously existing financial and tax administration system, this step involves action to build a new financial system and tax administration. Several actions are included in the analysis phase, including the creation of entity relationship diagram or ERD, use case diagrams, and use case scenarios. The next step is to construct a database and a graphical user interface or GUI. The design process will convert the previously evaluated criteria or needs. This design stage result in the creation of a physical database design and a graphical user interface or GUI design in the form of a system mockup. The third, we have financial system development. The third stage is the construction of the financial system and tax administration, which were detailed and explicitly designed in the previous stage by the system designer and afterwards by the on-call parties as system users. At this stage of development, the on-call party consults with the system developer about the design and mockup created with the system designer. The system developer will study the design outcomes to acquire a perfect image of the system that will be built so that the on-call party can run in afterwards. At this point, the system developer will handle the majority of the system implementation. To get the intent result, the on-call party should continue to collaborate with the system developer. The last, we have system training support. After the system has been created, the following step is to implement mentorship or training for the workers. We will use it so that it may be used correctly and efficiently. To acquire the finest training outcomes for the on-call staff, the organization needs now hire system developer and specialist in finance and taxation. It is anticipated that this training process will continue in order for personnel who utilize the system to effectively acquire the necessary abilities. The instruction given may take the form of workshops or socialization, including the develop financial system and tax administration. This is critical for the on-call since human research and restricted in operating a digital-based system that will be employed in the banking system and tax administration at the on-call phase and research. So the conclusion of this research is the on-call is one of the MSMEs involved in the tourist industry and operate in a number of different business sectors, including the rapid food service between Bali and Nusa Penida, resort on the island, water sport, and other enterprises. A technology-based financial system, sufficient tax administration, and the existence of a consolidated financial report that displays the overall performance and financial situation of the firm do not match the complexity of this business. This research describes ideas and concepts in developing a digital financial system and tax administration to assist the on-call in improving the business to have a better financial system. The ideas and concepts in developing the financial system and tax administration into a digital system covers four important activities or concepts. There are first, MSME requirement analysis. The second is financial system design, and then financial system development. And the last is system training support. Okay, that's all about our presentation on ICAST 2022. Thank you for the attention and goodbye.